And hey guys, today we have a Minecraft PvP apartment 5, yes. Today, as you can see here, this is like everything, right? So I'm going to do a, what should I do? Redstone alternative, yeah, right. So I'll teach you a door, redstone alternative door. Okay, so let me see. I'll teach you how to unlock and lock it, okay? So, these are materials you need. Where's the sun? Where's the sun? Where's the sun? There we go. Let's start. Okay, this is the building. So first, up. Yes. As you can see that it's just like that. You can see it a lot, right? If you want to lock it like that, should be 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks. No, yeah, 3 blocks. So 1, 2, 3. Then you put a block on top of this. There you go, the door's locked. Okay, that's how you lock a door. This is just the basics. So if you want a, I think a timer, yes, a timer for like something, like just for 3 or going to the 3 seconds. I'll just put it here. Just keep on going there, going there, going, no, something like that. Then if you want it just for 3 seconds, here. Just continue this, yes. You can see it's that right. So after that, put a block beside the left side of each cactus. And then let's try to a falling door. I just keep on getting wrong. Just like that. So let's cover this. Yan na po. Dun. And then like that. Sorry if you can hear my sister on the background. No, wrong. You're not supposed to put it there, okay? You're supposed to put it in the middle. Why does it keep putting it in the top? Maybe like this. You can see like that. Yes, just like that. So, and then this will, the water will go up there. If the person wants to let go, want to do like that. Okay, so let's see. The water will flow down. No, over here. Sorry if you can hear some background noises. Yes, you can hear background noises, right? So let's see. You can make it longer if you want. So it's like that. Oh. So like that, like that, like that, and then. Oh, I forgot about that. So like that. So the water made out. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and comment, and goodbye.